be disclosed either in the SALN or in the income tax return. Otherwise, kung hindi ma-disclose, his theory is that constitutes unexplained wealth.
Opo. Pero ma'am, para lang ho medyo ma-fortify pa po natin ang inyo pong katwiran dito sa isyong ito, if I may just again ask you, doon sa sinasabi ng mga abogado ni VP Sara na ang proseso kasi evidence muna bago ang hearing. No, so lumalabas daw po na sa ngayon ang Justice Committee ay naghahanap pa lang ng ebidensya sa particular na grounds na ito na unexplained wealth at yung SALN violation. O bakit daw po kumbaga hindi man lang nagpakita ng katibayan tungkol dito at ito na agad didesisyonan na may grounds dito po sa particular na allegation na ito. Again, ma'am, please.
Let us remember, Manong Ted, no? There are 5 steps. 5 steps before the Justice Committee to complete the impeachment proceeding, no? Yung evidence na may require dito is just reasonable amount of evidence. It is not substantial evidence. It is not probable cause. Lalo namang hindi proof beyond reasonable doubt. No? As a matter of fact, to be specific, nowhere in the rules will you see the amount of evidence required. The only parameter is, according to the Supreme Court, it depends on the exclusive judgment of the justice members whether the complaint on its face and on its attachment can be declared as sufficient in form and in substance. No? Wala pa po tayo sa trial, wala pa po tayo sa determination of probable cause. Kaya ang sabi ko po kahapon sa ating opening statement, hindi po ito paglilitis. We are just trying to find reasons which will justify the continuation of our impeachment proceeding. No? So granting na wala pang bank records, granting that the SALN available to the committee is the 2 SALN which were manifested, shared by Congressman Ridol, we took note of the fact that this bank records cannot be availed of yet by the complainant. As a matter of fact, they need to make use or explore the compulsory power of the Justice Committee to be able to avail themselves of these bank records and present